Hello guys, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update. And information I see the hot. It looks like his end of the road don't come for Oga Tinubu. It be like say the man he go follow for Anambra State people. Somebody like Andy by that time will be saying only 14 days where him stay for office. Shele, Kasala damn boss, they don't nyoko puss. Something where we say they're not supposed to nyoko puss so. And this one is coming from Atiku Abubakar. Atiku don't go carry one information. We go scatter everything we be say dey for Niger. This information go scatter the things we be say dey for Tinubu campo. They don't nyokopusa. And every nyokopusi team must be nyokopus. Meanwhile, if this is your first time of joining us on this wonderful jollification channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news enter, you go be the first we will collect and Chineka dia. Welcome back. We love you. They say Presidential Election Tribunal Atiku PDP call 3 more witnesses. Hey! Now wahala for Oga Tinubu. Even though saying be Jagaban, it be like say some people they fight to turn name, make sure say that Jagaban where they say him be, say he no go be am again, say he must come down. But I think say na Peter be supposed to dey push like this. Why he be say he's looking as if Atiku Abubakar can't get more information, come pass Oga Peter Obi. And if anything happen now, you know saying Atiku Abubakar be the second for this election. And if the court happens to do anything, it be saying Atiku Abubakar na him go enter for that chair, na him go become the next president of Nigeria. And plenty people, even Obasanjo, they talk say Atiku Abubakar, the kind bad mind, bad belly, where we say that man get, no be here. They say when Obasanjo leave office, travel abroad, say make Atiku Abubakar the represent and Atiku go privatize everything, go do plenty things where we say you're not supposed to. Now why people like OBJ or Obasanjo they fear say make the man no enter the president office. Say if he enter self, the thing where we say Buhari do to Nigeria, that one na child's play to the thing where we say Atiku Abubakar they do to Nigeria. But why they make we enter for that news where they say Atiku Abubakar and People's Democratic Party PDP has presented their 23rd, 24th, and 25th tag witnesses before the presidential election petition court sitting at the Court of Appeal headquarters in Abuja. They say on Monday, the counsel of Mr. Atiku and PDP, Charles Edo Sawan, called subpoenaed witnesses Janet Nutu Turaki from Yobe State, Christopher Bulus Arudo from Bauchi State, and Victoria Sani from Niger State to testify against the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), President Bola Tinubu, and All Progressive Congress (APC). All the witnesses who worked as INEC ad hoc staff during the presidential election said they were able to conduct the election peacefully and in accordance with the commission guidelines, but said they were unable to transmit election results from their beavers machine as stipulated. The continuation of hearing of witnesses had been adjourned until tomorrow, June 20, by presiding Justice Haruna Simon Tuzani. But everybody knows say that election will be say they conduct, even though people obey the rules of the election, but where the matter comes shele, na that transmitting of the results. Some places self will be say our correspondent go visit after the election. They say they no fit transmit. Say network no dey. Some people can't carry even their Wi-Fi give them. Say okay, make una carry this Wi-Fi connect to the network transmit. Since e be say the network self no be from network provider, that one na from the beavers. E be like say the people don't go there, go use something block the network, say make network no comot so that they go fit do wetin they want do. You know as Naija dey dey na. No be today. Na today the people na this thing. APC don't carry come. They say any party member will work against Tinubu. Say that person go receive punishment. Say wetin they go do that person. You know go in. But I don't understand why Naija con dey work like this. Na election they do, na party things. Everybody fit play their game. After the nation come together to build their nation, even though say some people they talk say everybody talk say no be APC win that election, or say they use money, they use 200 million go buy the INEC chairman. Na wetin they talk. Say na wetin dem do, but as the election don finish, they say they go punish anybody wey be say they come from APC, wey be say join body put follow dis people, follow dem fight for that fight of the election. Wike don talk say they poison am some time ago because of the matters wey be say dey happen for Obodo Naija. Say they give am poison wey be say wey go make im kidney stop the work. He say I was poisoned, my kidney shut down. Wike, Tinubu and Buhari made me who I am. Wike don't come out, they talk, say immediately past Governor Nyesom Wike has disclosed some life-threatening scenarios he kept a secret during his 8 years tenure. He said the immediate past River Governor Nyesom Wike has disclosed some life-threatening scenarios he kept a secret during his 8-year tenure. The former governor, in a special Thanksgiving service on Sunday, organized by his family at the St. Peter's Denari, Rumu Birikom, Obiakpo, revealed that he was poisoned at the Secretariat of the People's Democratic Party in December 2018. He said the poison ravaged his internal organs, affecting his liver and kidney, and almost killed him. But God's intervention came. Hundreds of dignitaries who attended the service listened in shock as the former governor disclosed his kept secret. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was represented at the event by Lagos Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The service was attended by the Senate President Godswill Akpabio, Deputy Senate President, many senators, over 35 members of the House of Representatives, many former governors, former ministers, royal fathers, captain of industries, the Nation Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, among other very important persons. Tinubu and Buhari made me who I am today. Aregbesola. When I don't see as the sub, they don't talk people wey be say because Tinubu don't become president. Now they don't talk, they talk say na Tinubu make them waiting them be. All the people wey be say they fight Tinubu that time, say instead wey Tinubu go become the governor of this state, say make thunder from heaven come, say fire upon this earth. Now Tinubu don't win. They say na Tinubu make them waiting they be. Make you no go they follow politicians. So politicians, all those guys na guys. Their eye they red. Waiting they do, waiting they look for na for their pocket too. This one where they don't catch MFL, say ain't carry bags of money, go keep for your house. People they suffer. In they tell us saying why fight corruption. But now for your house, all the bag of the money they. This nation will not go kill us. Will not go kill us at all. And we go get patient until things go turn out for the good of the poor masses. And meanwhile, make I remind you, they say Nigeria don't qualify for the AFCON, the African Cup of Nations. But whether they go use Nigeria get hope this year, I don't know. Because now the time where you go to watch Nigerian match, the first one they go win, the second one they go win, the third one you go carry your money, go put for bet. My brother na high BP go carry you come for your papa house. Yeah, but we wish them good luck this time. Make they go there, go win. But if they no win, we no say it don't become normal thing. Say winning they hard for the Nigerian players. Say make win. They say na Oga Osimhen. Na in they help them this time. Na in they carry goal, scatter the post. Even the one where we say they play with Sierra Leone. Say no Osimhen carry goal, scatter post, destroy the post there. Say make AFCON qualify. And you know, so Osimhen done they for Italian league. He done they do well massively there. He done they do plenty things. Where say they happen. But this one they say Yahoo boy narrates how he tied his grandmother to tree inside forest and forcefully slept with her. Hey. Plenty things where people they do for money these days. You don't share my people make una get patience. God time better. Some people go say which kind be God time. Be make I die. It better make you there alive than say you do money ritual. Die next 5 years. They say 31-year-old man named Augustine Ako has been arrested by the Enugu State Police Command for allegedly raping and strangling his 72-year-old grandmother Faith Akam for ritual purposes. According to a press release issued by the police on Tuesday, signed by the police public relations officer DSP Daniel Ndukwe, the suspect was apprehended on June 12, 2023 with the assistance of local vigilante members serving in Igboeze North Division of the command. My people, nothing wey we no go see for this obodo agbarala as e dey be. They said the police statement revealed that the suspect committed the heinous act on June 8. He allegedly raped his grandmother and then strangled her in a bush located at Mopele Ubere in the community, apparently in an attempt to cover up the crime. Preliminary investigation indicated that the victim had gone missing in the evening of June 8 after she went to engage in her daily farming activities. The suspect was apprehended immediately after the crime by the local vigilante group and reportedly confessed to the act after being subjected to brutal beating. The suspect, who is believed to be involved in internet fraud Yahoo, confessed to the vigilante member the reason behind his assault on the elderly woman in the forest. He claimed that in his pursuit for more money through fraudulent activities, he has sought the assistance of an herbalist who prescribed a charm that requires him to sleep with an old woman. Consequently, he felt compelled to attack his grandmother while she was in her farm. My people, wetin dey happen for this world now be say make you carry eye put for your eye o. Carry soap, wash your eye, make you shine your eye, make dem no use you do wetin dem wan do o. Because as e dey, evil wey be say e dey go on for this world now, if they put am for basket, that basket go full. Meanwhile, na here I go also holla because fuel subsidy they don remove am. Mean say before you go buy correct fuel now, e go hard for you o. So make I leave you comot. And if this is your first time wey be dey join me for this wonderful channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like and share, comment, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever I go to drop my mbamba, you go be the first we go the mbamba go to anishi. Catching a kemezeri goku, where the wara go. God bless you for listening.